It's me, Arman. As you can see, Kevin's not here, Roz is not here, and Aiden's not here. It's just me. So I'm just going to be doing a funny preview with you, which kind of gets mixed up after a while. It's called Nyanya. So, I actually kind of took a little bit from Nanya style, Nanya style. So we're going to start now. Nya 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 blah 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 blah. Whoa! Sorry, that was actually an accident. Sorry. Blah 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 na 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 na. Guys, help! I have lost my voice. All I can say is nya. Nya 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 nya. So guys, thank you for watching, and we're gonna have other mini videos by maybe only Kevin and me. Or Rod and Aiden are not gonna have mini videos. Well, they might, but I'm pretty sure they won't. So yeah, thank you for watching.